How do you change the time zone of your Google Sheet? Now this is important, especially if you want to put like today's date and then +1, +2 or whatever. I'm going to show you some later. Alright, changing the time zone is important, especially if you want it to be in the correct time zone. But before I begin, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump to my computer and let me show you how you can change your time zone at Google Sheet. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your Google Sheet. So I already have a Google Sheet open. So you can see that this is showing the exact time zone of mine, which is in Malaysia time zone. So currently it's 11:35 AM. But what if I want to change the time zone to different time zone? Now, this could be good if you want to like exactly report or you want to keep track on this sheet based on your own time zone. You cannot have multiple different time zones that you will have to plus minus on your own. So now let me show you how you can change the time zone for this Google Sheet first. Okay, go to File. Go to settings, and then you can see here time zone. Alright, so you can select whichever time zone you want to choose. For me, it's Malaysia, which is similar to Singapore. Mine is +8, but you can look at the time, right? It's 11:35 AM. What happens if I change it to, for example, to Pacific time, Vancouver? Click on that, and then you can see save and reload, and boom, you can see the time. Right? It is now 7:36 at Vancouver. So you can see that this will change accordingly. So now, how do I set the time? You just have to put in equal now, open bracket, close bracket, and then you will show the exact time and date. So you can see that this is actually showing the time zone of Vancouver right now. In Malaysia, it's different time. Okay, let me change back to my time zone. So save and reload. And then you can see that it will reload back to my current time right now. So yeah, so this is how you can change the time zone for your Google Sheet. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Goodbye.